What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about our new YouTube subscription service we got. So, a lot of people been asking me about how I do what I do. They want to know the ins, the outs. If you haven't learned this by now, I'm a person who loves to share the game, give the game to people, give you my plugs, letting you know how I do what I do, because just because you know what I know doesn't mean you can do what I can do. And if you can take it further than I can take it, I'm blessed to be a part of your journey. So here's how it's gonna play out. Two types of audiences that I'm gonna serve with this subscription service. The first one is going to be beginners. These may be people who've taken smart shooter classes. These may be people who've come across our videos on YouTube. These may be people who bumped into me at gun shows and events, recognized me from the internet and said, hey, I can't take classes with you physically, but I want to be a part of what you do. I want to learn from you. I want you to be my instructor. I got you. That subscription will be $4.99 a month. Now, what do you get for $4.99 a month? You're going to get all the lessons that you want. I'm going to drop new videos every week simply for people who want to train with me. We're going to go over the basics of firearm fundamentals. We're going to go over drills. I'm going to teach you guys what to do at the gun range if you ever go by yourself. Say it's your first time at the gun range and you don't know what to do. I'm going to give you a guide on how to get through that scenario, as well as some other perks that just all involve the 2A lifestyle. That is $4.99. If you are somebody who's bumped into me at an event and said, hey, I want to tap in with you. I want to be connected to a Black instructor. I want to be connected to somebody who comes from where I come from and they're educating people on this stuff. I got you. There will be exclusive content just for you that the rest of my channel won't get to see, and it'll only cost you $4.99 a month. My second subscription is going to be $9.99 a month, and that is going to be for all my aspiring instructors. In the short time I've been an instructor, I've been able to soak up a lot of game, network with a lot of people, and I've been able to learn things that I feel are very much so worth passing on to another instructor. Am I going to teach you how to be an expert marksman? Nah. I'm talking about the business side of being an instructor. If you are currently an instructor in Michigan, period, you know how hard it is to even find a gun range to rent to teach a class. You know how hard it is to find students who want to teach a class, how to get students to come back after they get their CPL. There's tons of challenges of new instructors. How to become an instructor without being law enforcement or ex-military. How do people take you seriously? Because a lot of people act like if you're not law enforcement or military, that you're not qualified to be an instructor, which we know is not the case. I have game for you. Listen, if you want to be an instructor, if you're thinking about being an instructor, $9.99 a month, that's all it's gonna cost you to tap in. I'm dropping 2 videos a week just for instructors. I'm sharing best practices. I'm sharing my connections, my resources. One of the things people asked me as an instructor is, how did I keep ammo during the pandemic, right? Like they were trying to figure out, how was I still able to teach people even though nobody else had ammo? I was like, I got a wholesale supplier. Like, it seemed like the only logical thing to do. If the stores don't have it, get a wholesale supplier. They was like, how do you do that? How do you get a wholesale supplier so you can sell ammo straight to your students and cut the store out altogether? I can teach you that. I can show you all the game. February 1st is when we're launching these subscription services, right? Training with me is gonna be $4.99 a month. Okay, if you're a beginner, again, somebody who wants to tap in with smart shooters, but may not be able to either leave, come train, don't have the time, want to be able to do it at your time, your leisure, I got you. $9.99, you want to be an instructor, want to learn how to run this game, want to learn how to establish yourself, I got you. Not the best instructor in the world? Okay. But I'm no slouch. Like I said, in 18 months, I've trained 556 students. I was just in the instructor group on Facebook watching some instructors say they've never even taught 500 people. And I did that in 18 months. So I'm telling you, I give you everything I got. It's the best I can give you, right? Everything I got. Why? Because I don't believe in competition, right? I don't believe, now I know competition exists, but I'm saying I don't believe in competition. This mission, this educating the community is something I can't do by myself. I can't educate everybody. And so we need more people in this lane. $9.99 a month. I'm gonna give you guys 2 videos a week, exclusive. None of the rest of my YouTube channel will be able to see it. And we're gonna walk this journey out of being a certified firearms instructor, right? Don't know where to start? I got you. Don't know how to keep going? I got you. Don't know how to keep getting students? I got you. That's the subscription service. Is launching February 1st. So for those of you guys who want to see what Daryl the instructor is like and not just Daryl the YouTube guy that reviews guns and stuff like that, got you. Want to get into this business? It's a good business. I make a living doing this. This is what I do full time, right? I'm just adding other layers to it. And that's what it can do for you. Interested? February 1st, the button goes live. If you got any questions before that, you can email me. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.